10 useful tips for healthy lifestyle. Prioritize your tasks. Create a to-do list. Prioritize tasks by importance and urgency. This keeps you focused and productive. Using timer. Set a timer for each task to stay accountable and focused. This also avoids delays. Get a break. Taking small breaks throughout the day will help you recover and stay focused. Try to take a 5 to 10 minute break approximately every hour. Eliminate distractions. Minimize distractions by turning off phone and computer notifications, closing unnecessary tabs, and finding a quiet workspace. Organization. Keep your workspace clean and tidy. This will help you stay focused and stop wasting time looking for things. Get enough sleep. Try to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to stay awake and focused during the day. Drink enough. Drinking enough water will help you stay focused and energized. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Training. Regular exercise can help improve mood, reduce stress, and increase energy levels. Learn to say no. Learn to say no by turning down unnecessary requests and tasks. You can avoid becoming overly involved or overwhelmed. Celebrate your achievements. Take time to recognize and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. This will help you stay motivated and positive.